I was seasoning my kids' leftovers this morning, and to my horror, we'd run out of salt. Off we go. The sea.
Right, let's go make some salt. Step 1.
We need to filter this water because in the summer, the sea is a public toilet.
Let's do this.
Once the sand had sank to the bottom, it actually looked quite clear.
We've gone through a coffee filter, tea towel, and a sieve. So that means this water should be clear of dirt, gravel, sand, microplastics. Doubt it.
Then all that's left to do is simply boil away the water. And once all the water has evaporated, you're left with sterile salt.
So I've got this app that tells you when it's safe or unsafe to swim in the sea. It doesn't say if it's safe for human consumption or not, but it says it's okay today. We move! I'm gonna try the amount that I would accidentally swallow if I was swimming in the sea, which I've done many times, and I'm still alive.